How to fix iPhone overheating on iOS 17.5. As you know, iOS 17.5 is probably one of the worst updates that happened recently. One of the problems brought by this version is definitely overheating. However, there are a few things you can do to reduce your phone's overheating. First, open the settings. In Settings, find the General section and tap on it. In the General section, find the Software Update option and tap on it. Check if version 17.5.1 may have arrived on the phone. This version is announced as the version that should solve all the problems. If it is there, install it. The next thing we can do is check to see if App Refresh is turned off. In Settings, find the General section and tap on it. In the New list, select the Background App Refresh option. It is recommended that you turn this off completely, and if you really need an application, you can leave it on by tapping on the switch in the list below. Last but not least is to turn off location. Go to the Privacy section. In it, select the Location option. You can turn off the location completely or leave it for all applications only when it is used by the application or only for those that really need it. In this way, you can reduce overheating on your phone. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.